Dominic Fobih akra no 9 years ofri kwa moaben chese sports adwuma na nije hu ye pa ti onenam ne kura se na ne wo kwa akwohwe La Liga ne saa ne manema no na nyankopɔ ye na dom e ma Dr. Boku otimi locate no ekofa no de ne ba Kumasi no de ne ba ye adwuma e wo eye Angel FM na oba Angel FM so ye nyina ye hu bi akra itina se o ma commentary na nya asem keto akro kasa kro age se wo home utimu se eye akyede e na nyankopɔn e de akye no I say Dr. Boku otia fa no ho ka ni school ho ka wo hwe ne ye ni bibia se nyankopɔn asa aye na dum biem amana kwa kopiem ewo eye BBC ama BBC 4 aye documentary kama e de afa no ho membe se e be kyen ho yenko ne nkotie Dominic Fobih se de eja wo already brofo na se de wo ka brofo no de iye gide nkotie bi nyame na meka ye ba ye beto aso.
Dominic, welcome. What do you make of this season's Premier League and which team do you think can win it?
I think Tottenham will win the English Premier League this season because Tottenham, if you see Son Min-Heung and the likes of Harry Kane, the likes of Sergio Aguero, they are all put performance. They are put their performance well. And my name is Dominic Fobih. I am 10 years old. I come from Asinku Foyidia in the central region of Ghana. I am the youngest sports presenter in Africa. Before the league, this season league, we think that Liverpool will continue win the league, but from now I don't think Liverpool will win the league. Yes.
Which other team do you think are doing well and can win it apart from Liverpool?
Apart from Liverpool, I think Tottenham Hotspur or Leicester City. Yes. I started getting interest in football at age 6, when my brother took me to watch a game in the UEFA Champions League. On that day, Real Madrid won against Atletico de Madrid in the UEFA Champions League final. After that game, I told my brother that I will be a commentator one day, and he laughed. Because of our village, there is no internet and television. We walk far from our village to the next 2 villages to watch a football game. There is no internet in our village. My brother carried me to the district capital to get internet and do some researches about football. I wanted to do research about football because I want to be a journalist. When somebody asks me anything about sports, the thing comes in my mind as a picture because of I have researched that. In our village, if the young men are playing football, I go there as a small boy and do some commentary, and they all laugh at me. Because of things I do on radio and TV, someone has now donated a TV set to my father on the village, and now my friends and my family watch me on TV. I think Pele was better than Maradona. Maradona is more dribbles than Pele, but I think Pele is better than.
In terms of, you mean skills, Maradona was skillful than Pele?
Pele, but in terms of goals and trophies won, achievements and personal honors, yeah, I think Pele is better than. My biggest dream is to become a commentator in future, and I want to run commentary in AFCON games, Italian Serie A, Spanish La Liga, and FIFA World Cup, English Premier League, and the UEFA Champions League, so that my friends who will listen to me will know that this is Dominic Fobih that we know in our village.
Abuja for Dominic Fobih and who say BBC 4 a future no a BBC News Pidgin or my future in this be and bro news e bi o hodo say ebutu e bi adane dane a normal because Pidgin dey say na e ka no and e say ni say ne ma na say what the name na time a Dominic Fobih e ba abonten a yehu no ade ba akwa ne ye a ese ne hu ye ahudwiri enam so ma ne di e hyeta wi ase fa na ba bia ne say that time na teams a e bobo be kire Champions League no wotimi predict ye ese either say Juventus, PSG ana say Bayern Munich ene betimi afa cup no ampani ampa akwi ase na je say Bayern Munich ena etumi age cup no e de akofie na me pese ye sa back ne ekwo sa time of predict ye analysis awo ye kakra ye ba na yato aso.
But this year Champions League, you know, we share team Ben or upper hand or beji.
This year Champions League. I 3 teams in numbers in Champions League. I had as a Bayern Munich and the PSG na Juve.
I didn't hear.
We share in 1-1. We PSG team. I'm more killing by peloton. No, I tell you. Anymore more Mario Cardi. Oh, player and the wife managing.
Player and the wife managing. Wouldn't him nina. Wouldn't someone done Nara? Wouldn't him nina. Send the wife and the manager.
Wife got some member one PSG and into no free PSG.
Na
no free card because for PSG.
Na Jim Zamajo. Anti omo front to ninti na.
Name Cavani to bench. Cavani. Uruguay. To bench. Cardi. So. Into more team. Oko me chomo the good old Thiago Silva. On wa Brazil national team na che almost Marquinhos. One of the young guys from Oba. More Cameroon for play. Triple Martina and about 2 goals. I'm one.
You wear a map a jar lorry fair. Or Cotakwa. And your moon, almost what you PSG, dear.
No, Bayern.
Oh, you're Bayern.
Bayern man one eye impose. I'm more found Shaw Davis. I'm more Benjamin Pavard 2018 Okoje World Cup. I'm more Thiago Cantala.
Die. Because we started from goalkeeping, back 4. And yes, Obia Trobi Biamano. Me Busan out of. Oh, the for papers in the Captain Smart. Aha, not Yanko Bayern, dear. No, oh, the Denti also make the Champions League. I'm
more David Alaba. Alaba. More Jerome Boateng. More no mobile phone. Afonso Davis na Pavard. And bo convince from what Thiago Cantala. Kingsley Coman. O Kingsley Coman. More Lewandowski awe ni mo. Serge Gnabry. Enso. Makoto Tangai Kwasi.
Tangai Kwasi.
Ni bo chi.
The crop of players no more on the Chelsea. I'm on the Chelsea bow.
My Chelsea boy. Chelsea the Bayern so my Chelsea.
Are they?
And then 100%.
Hey, that's a Chelsea needs 100%.
Chelsea is running. Na Bayern so much to the Bamuta consider goes ba. Da mo nyamu den. The one Boateng fan horse ah. Nti Chelsea so strikers no. Next season Timo Werner na Hakim Ziyech Mobi. He press on one on kwakubo. No he really gans na Marcus Alonso dia. Nkansheni.
JQ. Jai na. Ma Musa Chelsea asemo. Na we microphone ni team na sa no. Obo PSG. Na bo Bayern Munich. So mo a chance. Ba bo 3 teams. Bo explain baako.
Okay. Timi Juve.
Na Juve. Okay.
Anti yanko Juve so dia. Juve. Oh, Buffon. Buffon goalkeeper wenyi pa.
Yeah.
Amowo Chelsea.
Yeah.
Ono so ya goalkeeper ketwa efe na oba. Amowo Rodrigo Bentancur. One of the best midfielders ever. Rodrigo Bentancur. Okay. Amowo Giorgio Chiellini. On we 33 years.
Ni fie ni wo trim.
Amowo Ronaldo Bonucci 35 years. Cristiano Ronaldo so. Amowo Paulo Dybala. Amowo Higuain. Pepita Higuain. Oh. Amowo players be makoto Romanzi. Adine free PSG aba. Makofa Matis delete.
Yeah.
No the youngest player our captain team akobo UEFA Champions League we do semi-final.
Why?
Matis delete.
One the youngest
player our captain team akodo semi-final. No 19 years. Captain Ayas e Madrid ne Juve film e do semi-final.
Hey. Adio. Nti eno na kire sa 3 teams no. E na omo abi chance o beti match. But slightly teams be no ben ho kakra e bia afa
tumo ben ho. Ye PSG ban. PSG ban.
Okay.
Abusia for Dominic Fobih. yakwate no ho asema yeso yatena so atwetwe won komo kakra no from kwamoaben to Angel he said your kwakopiem ewo eye BBC e kire nyankopon gift odi ama ne nyankopon pese le gift no e shiny mawiase afa na nyina obia etene nka nti said ye nam gawili se ka no ne ayesere mpedifo ma so na sene no omo so na sene sa ne nkoduru china bi na afa yesehwe Dominic Fobih yes the gift no atonsuum ne mo gift no ebe wo honom na obenyini na nani suade hu so baba bi ye commentator e de ama African games ne ewiase games ne ade no ni nyina ebetumi abamu ama no.
So thank you for watching the video, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.